Gateway topic is articles a and an, where we use the articles a concept, where we use the articles a and an. Time to know. The article a is used before a word starting with a consonant. The consonants are the words expect a, e, I, o, u, like b, c, these words. The article a is used before a word starting with a consonant, for example, blue, a blue car, a blue car, a white sky. The article an is used before a word starting with a vowel, where an. We use an, the word that starts with the vowel a, e, I, o, u. For example, an envelope, an igloo. This was the concept where we use a and an. A is used with the word that start with the consonant, and an is used with the word that starts from with the vowel a, e, I, o, u. So now we are going to move on the activity. Here you can see the activity. The activity is English, Gateway Public Schools English, number 7. There was an apple tree in the garden. Why you have used an? We have used an because apple starting letter is a, and a is a word is start from a vowel. We use an. In a new school as, and it's a consonant letter, so we have used a. Please, why we have used an orange? Orange starts from o, and as you know, o is a vowel, and whenever a word starts from o or a vowel, we use an. So that's why we have written an with orange. D, a beautiful bird in the park. As you know, the beautiful b, and b is a consonant, so we have written a. Number E. Asim is an intelligent boy. Why we have used an? As you know, intelligent first letter is I, so that's why we have written an. An intelligent boy. Hope you have understood this topic very well, and you have got the idea related to the a and an, where we use a and an. Thank you for and share this video. Subscribe my channel as much as you can. Thank you for your support. Allah Hafiz.